Wait, you've probably seen this amazing text effect all over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. But did you know you can create it in Canva in less than a minute? Let me show you how. Hi, welcome to Canva Shortcuts. You've probably seen this ink text effect blowing up across the internet and wondered how people make it. The good news is it's actually super simple. First, open Canva. Click on Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. I'm using 1280 by 720 pixels, but you can choose any size that fits your project. Next, add a heading and type your desired text. I'm writing Canva Shortcuts. For the best result, choose a bold font. I'm using Monument, but any thick font will work. Now copy the text and paste it directly on top of the original. Select the top copy, go to Effects, and choose Hollow. Align both text layers perfectly, making sure the hollow text stays above the solid one. Now head over to Elements, search for Ink, and switch to the Videos tab. You'll see lots of different ink animations. Pick the one you like the most. Resize and position the ink animation so it covers your text. Next, click Edit Video and remove the background from the ink effect. After that, open the Layers panel and place the ink video between the solid text and the hollow text. And that's it! You've just created a clean, professional-looking ink text effect in Canva. Now, play around with different ink videos, fonts, and colors to create your own unique style. Follow Canva Shortcuts for more quick Canva tips and effects.